Hey out there. Happy Friday, all you quarantiners. How's it going? Hope everyone's well. Today we're going to talk about still versus until. Very common words, easily confused. Check out some examples here. The first one's not correct. Why? I play video games until now. Well, I think that is the person's trying to say, I'm still play video games. I started in the past, and right now I'm playing video games. So the meaning is that nothing has changed. The problem is, until means a change. Something stopped or something started. So the word that you want to use is still. I played video games as a child, and I still play video games as an adult. So the still is coming to show you that nothing has changed. Until is showing a change. So you can see here, this is correct. I played video games until 5 o'clock. Putting the 5 o'clock makes the sentence okay, because I played video games and then at 5 o'clock I stopped playing video games. So until is showing a change in your activity. Are you still listening? I hope so. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Stay safe wherever you are, and I'll be back Monday with more videos. Bye.